Today I understand I'm like amateur in this game. Victory is victory, alhamdulillah. About Maradishvili and Petryan, believe me, I will be ready 100 times better than today. I will do it and I will come to take this belt.